Have you ever thought about wearing contact lenses before? During June, we're giving a free trial to patients who have never worn them. This will include 3 to 4 appointments with our contact lens specialist. This will include teaching you how to put the lenses in and removing them. It will make sure that they've got the best fit and the best usage for what you need, whether that's for something for sports or for everyday use. This is equivalent to £40 worth of treatment. If you do decide to purchase some lenses from us, there will be 10% discount off that first purchase. So come down and see us, give us a call, and we'll be able to arrange everything and sort everything out for you.